So this is the sketch I did in the previous video at the retreat in Scorton, Lancashire, and it's a bit of a sad day really today. I'm pensioning off this old fella that I've had for over 30 years. It's a Ron Ranson HAKE or HAKE brush, well used, well loved, but now his hair's falling out. And we just received this in the post, exactly the same, never been used, and we're going to see how we fare with it. I'm sure we'll be fine. Quite nervous really. So lovely head of hair, and remember the old tricks to keep it nice and pointy at the end, keep it nice and flat. So here we go. I've sped it up massively, but we start off with an ultramarine wash for the sky, and then using the blue, I had some tiny bit of lemon yellow, find the basic edge and outlines that I'm looking for, and start to build up the colour. So far the brush is nice, you can see the washes are going on nice and even. Now we're going on to some straight edges in the trees, and it is definitely nicer to use than my old one because it stays nice and stiff. So here we go with the focal point in the centre, which took my eye originally, sitting in the hot tub. And this is the first go at stippling with the brush, and I'm finding that quite difficult. I've got to say, I can't seem to get the strands to separate as much as I was used to with my old one, but I'm sure it'll wear in. Just a word for people that are using or trying the HAKE for the first time, it does take a while for the brush to break in, you know. It's well worth the effort of sticking with it. I've been using one for over 30 years, as I say, and I am struggling on this picture. It's not doing it as it's doing it too uniformly. Anyway, on with the picture. I'm now building up the shadows and the fence. We're round about the stage now where you could stop, because look how nice and ethereal the greens look there, but we carry on obviously in the brook area, just making it slightly darker. I'm really happy with the soft washes it allows you to put on this new brush, and I hope it's the start of a beautiful relationship. Again, emphasising the shadows now. As you can see there, it's too uniform going on. I can't get the thing to be random enough at the moment, so I'm using a big round brush just to ease them to look a bit more, like I say, random. Possibly a coating too far there, but finishing off the fence. Keep your eye open for the full tutorial. It'll be available on my Udemy page as soon as it's ready. And the gate and a few cows in the field. I'm actually more than happy with this as a first painting with my new brush, and my first painting from the retreat in Scorton. Thanks for watching.